Holy smokes! Look at the snow out here today. There's my car. Look at it. Whoa. This is crazy. Look at the car. Jeez Louise. Don't look too bad over there, but it really is. I don't know if you can see some of the cars that are stuck over there. You'd have to be a blatant fool to be driving in this. Look at it. It's coming down crazy. Whoa. Jeez. My gosh. Here's my feet walking in this. Well, just to show you how bad it's snowing out there. Look at that car. Wow. I'm going in. Holy smokes. I'm gonna stop. Whoa, it is pretty bad out there. This guy's trying to get in his car right there. Look at that. Is he gonna do it? I don't think he's gonna make it. I don't think he's gonna make it. Holy shit. Look at that. Look at the car again. Wow. There's a car driving in there. I don't know how he's gonna drive in this particular weather. Jesus. Look at these cars driving in here. That's a 4x4, so he doesn't have that much problems. I don't know if you can see down there. I zoom in a little bit. Whoa. Jeez. Okay, I managed to get some of my snow off of the car. Some of this, oh, look at that. The whole front end is covered in snow. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it on the video camera. I don't want to fall here. Alright. Just look at that. We're going back through here. Whoa, just look at that. Look at where the snow is just covering the car. It's waist deep. And it's still snowing out. I don't know if you can see the statue of Mary out over there. Look at that. Let's zoom in. Wow. It's crazy out here. Look at those fools. Why would anybody want to even drive in this weather? Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Are those guys actually going to get out of there? There's no way. They're going to be in there forever. You'd have to be a freaking fool to even consider taking your car out in a snowstorm like this. Jeez. Yeah, looking at it out here. Oh my gosh. Then if you look down over on this side, There's people stuck over here too. Incredible. I think they did manage to get out of it though. But they're going to get stuck again probably the next block.